Hello, and welcome to the Iris Stitch Square, part 13 of the Odyssey of Textures Blanket. For this square, you will need a basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will chain 24. After the 24, add 3 more chains. For row 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, all into the 5th chain from hook. So place 2 double crochets into the 5th chain from the hook. Then chain 1, two more double crochets into the same spot, now skip 3 chains. After skipping 3 chains, place 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets into the next chain. Repeat down the row. Skip 3 chains, then after the 3 skip chains, place 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Then skip 3 more chains and 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Repeat this down the row until you have 2 chains left. When you get to the last 2 chains, skip the second to last chain and place a double crochet into the very last chain. Row 1 is finished. For row 2, chain 3 and turn. From row 2 on, you will only work in the chain 1 spaces. So in each chain 1 space of row 2, place 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Repeat until you have 2 stitches left. In each chain 1 space, place 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. When you get to the end of the row, you will need 2 stitches left. Place a double crochet into the very last stitch. The very last stitch will be the actual turning chain of the previous row, so place a double crochet into the top of the turning chain. Repeat row 2 until the piece measures approximately 7 inches. Once the square measures 7 inches, it is time for the border. Chain 1 and turn. After turning, place 3 single crochets into the corner. For the side, place 25 evenly spaced single crochets. Repeat this around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 evenly spaced single crochets. To finish the border, we need to join with a slip stitch to the beginning chain 1. When I am finished with the square, I mark the front with a slip of paper and a pin. The front of this square is when the beginning tail is on the bottom left corner.